My name is Candace Clays. I am the dry pet production manager here at the Clinton, Iowa facility. So as the dry pet production manager, I'm responsible for the production of our product. Obviously, we produce dry cat food, dog food, and treats here at our location. So it starts with incoming raw materials. From there, we batch them into a specific recipe according to whatever product we're producing. We form the product, we cook the product, and then we package it into different sized bags. It goes to the warehouse and out to the customer.
I'm Donna Bankson. I'm the logistics manager here at Nestle Purina in Clinton, Iowa. Logistics manager here means I oversee 3 different departments, ops planning department, the buying department, and the warehouse.
So I'm Kiana Williams. I work as a production operator in the specialty pet packing department. I do a lot with the treats, such as the T-bones and the bacon strips a lot. I do a lot of the quality checks to make sure the packaging is correct with the correct date codes.
I have a 3-year-old Great Dane named Stella. She's the most spoiled child in our family. Pro-Plan fed, very proud of that. It's made right here in Clinton, Iowa. Yeah, she has a beautiful coat and a crazy attitude.
I have a 12-year-old Yorkie named Muffin, and she loves the peanut butter bag.
To be honest, they were going to pay me 15 cents more an hour, and I wouldn't have to drive to the Quad Cities. But after getting here, I realized how great of a company it is and things that they will do for their employees. I went back to school with the help of tuition reimbursement that they provide, got my BA, and became a manager after a few steps along the way.
I see my mom love her job. She worked in the warehouse here. She retired from here. So that was the only job that I was used to her going to, is working for Purina, and she enjoyed it. So I thought, I'm her daughter, I might as well give it a try too. And I'm glad I did. I like what I do.
I never really pictured myself working in manufacturing. In college, I have a food science degree. I actually did a couple of internships at some different factories across the country. Once I got into manufacturing, I realized it's not at all what the stigma is around manufacturing. It's a fast-paced environment. It's really exciting. There's a lot of cutting-edge things going on.
So most recently, we added Red Zone as a tool for our operators to use. I oversee the warehouse, so every warehouse fork truck operator has an iPad on their truck. The Red Zone tool helps to track efficiencies. It's a big communication tool.
We have a lot of advanced technology here. One of the really cool things we recently introduced is a new digital training platform. So it's similar to YouTube. We actually have operators creating these mini how-to videos that show you, if you're a new employee, you log in, you can see the specific equipment you're working on, and then you can actually watch a video that takes you step by step through the different things that you would have to do to interact with that equipment.
I'd say jump right in. I specifically didn't have any background in manufacturing before, but they gave me the opportunity to show that I have what it takes. So even without going to college or anything, it's a good job to have. Longevity, flexibility, excellent benefits, and everything.
I would tell them to jump in. Working in manufacturing has been a great career for me. The manufacturing environment, it needs you. It needs your special talents and your abilities. There's a place here for everybody, whether you're a super creative person, whether you're a really analytical person, whether you want to help build standards or be on problem-solving teams. There's definitely a place for all of those skills, and without all of those different skills and all of those different abilities, we wouldn't be as successful as we are today here.
I would say the work-life balance piece is great from my perspective. Have a pretty flexible schedule. I come in early, I stay late different days, I come in at nighttime if needed. I'm actually the assistant tennis coach at the high school here in Clinton, so it's very fortunate that I am able to attend those practices, go to those tennis meets, and work my schedule here around that.
I've got 3 little boys, all under the age of 10, so they keep me pretty busy out of here. Thankfully, working here, we've got a lot of flexibility. Work-life balance is really important to Purina. So I get to spend time mostly focused on them and their activities, but there's nothing else I'd rather be doing right now.
You won't regret it. There's a lot of different career opportunities you can go to in here, production operator, management, anything. Like they said, you can go back to school or